Yes, guys, let me share the screen. Yeah, guys, can you please confirm me whether you can able to see the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Yes, yeah. Good. I hope you remember yesterday's class, right? I gave you 3 questions to solve on averages. Okay, we discussed some different shortcuts and all. Have you solved these 3 questions?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, as I said, like whatever the doubts you have, yeah, feel free to interact in the chat box. Whatever the doubts or questions you have, you can post it or you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts. Okay. Yeah, the same way. Let me revise for 1 minute what we discussed in yesterday's class. First thing, we started with the averages concept. Average can be calculated by using formula sum of numbers by total number of numbers. Other than this formula, okay, what are the things we discussed in yesterday's class is we can say average can also be calculated by taking middle number is average or first number plus last number by 2, correct? So when we want to say average is a middle number or first number plus last number by 2, it has to pass one particular condition. Okay, can you tell what is that condition?
The series number should be odd, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so it should be like a consecutive numbers. Okay, so when a given series is in consecutive order, okay, what is meant by consecutive numbers? And I said one terminology, arithmetic progression. Can you tell me anyone like what is meant by arithmetic progression?
Difference
The
between the
series of
numbers is
numbers
given,
which
sir.
Yeah.
difference.
Yes, very good. So when the given series in we have common difference, then we can say that average is nothing but middle number or first number plus last number by 2. Other than these 3 process, we discussed one more important way. Okay, can anyone tell what is that method called?
Chocolate
Chocolate
method.
method.
Yes, very good. So
Chocolate.
we call that method as chocolate method. Okay, let me tell you what exactly it is. Chocolate method means equal distribution. When everybody in the class is having 7 chocolates each, then average will be the 7. Okay, so if everybody is having 20 chocolates each, so average will be 20. So irrespective of the count in the class, whatever the number of chocolates that each student have, so we call that number itself is the average. Okay, that's what yesterday we discussed in chocolate method. Now we'll continue our class with the same question what we discussed in yesterday's class. Okay, actually this is the last question, right? We discussed in yesterday's class. Let's say let me take this. Yeah. Okay, the average age of 36 students in a class is 14 years. When teacher age is included, average is increased by 1. And hope you remember like how we solved in yesterday's class. First one we solved by using a normal method, okay, like equation method. And the second method we solved by using chocolate method. The same question we solved already in yesterday's class by two different ways. One is equation method and next one is chocolate method. Now actually chocolate method is the shortcut way we can say, but there is a small complications like while you are solving questions on chocolate method is here one person is included. If you observe the second one, I mean in the next slide you can see the question got changed. The average of 5 employees age is 27. If one employee is excluded, what do you mean by excluded here? Hope you can see the word excluded. One employee is excluded. What is mean by excluded?
Removing, sir.
Remove.
Yes, excluded means we can say that discarded or removed, whatever it is, like removing. Okay, so if when one employee is excluded, the average becomes 25. Find the age of excluded one. So my point is very simple. When you want to find the age of that excluded person, so even the same case here, you can use equations and you can use chocolate method and all. For these 3 questions, it is very easy for you to understand by using chocolate method. Now, I'm just telling the difference. That's it. Again, I'll come back to the question and I'll explain it. Okay, no worries. Let's say if you observe this question, the average weight of 6 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 45 kgs. Now, if you observe this question, in this question, what happened is teacher, okay, teacher included. when teacher age is included, means teacher age is included means additional one person added. Okay, here we can say
Sir.
that. Yeah.
Sir, sorry for the interruption. We can't see your screen actually.
Is it
Like the slide is not changed
It's actually
actually.
stuck at the one slide, sir. The
okay,
average
okay.
of it.
Yeah. Fine, fine. Thank you for informing
Yes.
that. Just a minute. Yeah, now.
Yes, good.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes. Now, actually, in this question, teacher age is included means here one person is added. Now, when you go for the next one, when one employee is excluded, means here the person got subtracted, right? Like removed. We can also say that removed. Now, when you look at this particular question, can you guess here whether the person is getting added or removed? Just observing the condition. Can you guess anyone whether the person is adding or person is getting removed?
The person is being replaced, sir.
Yes,
By
very good.
someone else.
Yes, very good. Now, when you observe this question, here person is not only getting added or only getting subtracted or removed. Here the person is getting replaced. Means one person is going out, and in place of that particular person, one new person is coming inside. Correct. So when you are solving problems on replacement, okay, students might get slight confusion when you use chocolate method. So for this particular thing, in actually we are using only chocolate method, but we can also say that it is like simplified chocolate method. Okay, like how we are going to simplify this particular shortcut to make our calculations and process easy. Okay, let me teach you this particular shortcut. One simple way to solve these type of questions is, okay, now what you all need to do is, from now all the questions are almost similar. Okay, just remember the process. Mostly like they will give count how many people are there and what are their average. Okay, let's say the average age of 36 students in a class. So I can say that count is initially 36 students are there. Now even you follow the same process and remember this how we are doing all these shortcuts and calculations and all. Okay, now the count is 36, average is 14. Okay, so for this particular count we have average of 14 years. Now I can say that 36 students average age is 14 years. Now when teacher age is included, now obviously count will get increased. Now count is 37. So if you observe, 36 became 37 because that one count got increased, means that one person is teacher. Now after teacher age is included, now average is increased by one. Correct. Now I can say that average will be 15. Okay, now what you need to do is, left side how much got increased is count. So this is +1 means teacher. The count is getting increased by 1. And what about average also got increased by 1. So the thing is, up to here I hope you all are clear. So what we need to do is, we need to write count one side, average one side. Count is 36, average is 14. Now when teacher age is included, count became 37. So now average is increased by 1, so I have written here 15. Now if you observe, left side difference, whatever left side difference, okay, what you need to do is, this left side difference value you have to multiply with the last number, bottom last number. Left side difference multiplied with bottom last number. Okay, and right side difference you have to multiply with, okay, top number. Okay, this is the only process you need to remember to get answer. Okay, and don't worry, and some people might get doubt, sir, why we need to multiply this left side difference with the bottom number and right side difference with top number. I'll give you a little clarity. Okay, first see, 1 into 15 is 15, plus what about right hand side difference, again it was increased by 1. So 1 into 36, it will be 36. I hope you can observe these arrows and all. Okay, this one is multiplied with 15 and this one is multiplied with 36, so which is equals to 51. This will gives you the teacher age. Very simple, guys. You just observe, count one side, average one side. You need to take, if it is teacher age is included, count is increased. And what about the next question, one employee is excluded, right? So obviously in that excluded means we need to remove. If you want to remove, obviously count will get decreased. So count will change. So this is how like we can solve the questions like and I'll tell you okay why we need to do all these multiplications and all. If you observe this 1% on the left hand side difference, what is this 1% plus 1 indicates, which is nothing but can I say that it is a teacher. Now when you multiply this plus 1 means that teacher particular person with 15, which indicates that teacher is having 15. So after teacher enters into the class, average is increased by 1 means teacher should have 15 chocolates with them, plus now this side right hand side difference. This right hand side difference means this is not person, this is average. When average is increased by 1 means obviously one chocolate is increased by all the people in the class, I mean all the students in the class. So likewise if you multiply this one with this 36, you will get to know how many total people are there in the class. So here total 36 people. So if you multiply this one with 36, so obviously 36 more chocolates that teacher should bring, which is equals to 51. Actually yesterday we solved this process. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm just elaborating this process like why we are doing all these things and all. Okay, I hope you all are clear. Like if you solve in the same way 2 to 3 more questions, you will get complete clarity on the process. Okay, as of now I hope you all are clear, and if you have any doubts, I mean in the particular process, you can ask me, or else you just any one person like can you please confirm you all are clear with the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, fine. Okay, now we'll go with the second one. See how simple it is. Now you can say here count, here we can say average. Count and average. Now, how many people are there? I mean, here they're not taking students, they're taking employees, right? So the average of 5 employees age is 27. Now can I say count is 5? So 5 employees age average is 27. I should write count one side, average another side. Now if one employee is excluded, if you observe the condition clearly, when one employee is excluded means one employee is removed, so count will be decreased. So if one employee is included means count will increase, excluded means count will decrease. So when one employee is excluded, average became 25. Okay, so what you need to do is very simple thing. You have to take see if it is increase plus 1, if it is decrease minus 1 obviously. So here what about average? Even average also getting decreased by 2, correct? So now what you need to do is left side difference you just multiplied with this bottom number. So minus 1 into 25 will be 25, sorry minus 25. And right side, so be careful with the symbols plus and minus. So minus 2, this number should be multiplied with top number. So minus 2 into 5 minus 10. So what is minus 25 and minus 10? Minus 35. So after getting the value, final value, if you see any negative things, you can neglect that negative value. So we can say that the excluded person average will be 35. Now the similar way, okay, in the similar way, what about if you'll consider like actual chocolate method? Now let's say 5 members are there, 5 employees. If 5 employees average is 27 means can I say that each person in the class or each employee is having 27, 27, 27 and 27? Now if everybody is having 27 chocolates each, then obviously I can say that average will be 27. Now if you observe one employee is excluded, let's say that the person whichever like I round it off, this person excluded. Now just imagine if when one person is leaving, okay, so when one person is leaving, if he will take as it is the 27 chocolates what he has, okay, now remaining 4 members average won't change, correct? If that particular person whoever is leaving the class, okay, when the person is leaving the class, if he takes whatever he has 27 chocolates, then what about average of remaining 4 persons? That won't change. Okay, now here if you observe the condition, average is 25 means what it means, obviously when while leaving this particular person, while leaving the class, he has to take 27 chocolates. Okay, now average became 25 for remaining 4 means, so obviously remaining 4 people average is 25 means these 4 people is having 25, 25, 25 chocolates each. Now how many chocolates got decreased if you observe? Okay, means this person while leaving, he has taken 27 chocolates whatever he has, and additionally how many chocolates he has taken from remaining 4 people means From here, 2 chocolates he has taken, and from here he has taken 2 more chocolates. Here 2 more chocolates. Here 2 more chocolates. If you observe total 8 chocolates he has taken extra. That's the reason while leaving he has taken 35 chocolates. That is what his age. So if you observe these particular chocolate method, you can do this process. But I recommend you to solve by using this particular way. So without furthermore any confusions and all, you can easily solve. One side count and another side average, and you can take both sides difference, and left side difference should be multiplied with the bottom right number, and right side difference will be multiplied with the first number. Okay, I hope you all are clear, right? For this particular question, see, if it is increased you can take plus difference, if it is decreased you can take minus. That's it. Are you clear with this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, I'll give you one question for you, and I'll give you 2 minutes time. Can you try this question? We'll see. See, you just try it. Actually, here the person is not getting added or removed. Here, person is getting replaced. You can do the same process like count, average, all these things. I'll give you 2 minutes. Give a try. If you get answer, you can post your answer in the chat box. After that, I'll explain. Just 2 minutes. Give a try, everyone. Hope you guys are trying this question. Once you are done with this question, you can post your answer in the chat box. Okay, I got some answers from Monica, Prem. Yeah, uh, 4 answers I got. Like you guys posted 60. Very good. Okay, let me explain this question first. Okay, the people who are solving still, just understand. Try to understand this here. The count. Okay, the average weight of 6 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 45 kgs. Here in the statement itself, you have to understand, here the person is not getting added or removed. Here the person is getting replaced, because they are mentioning that new person or old person. Obviously, you need to understand the logic. Person is getting replaced. Now, average weight of 6 persons is increased by 2.5 kgs. Now, here we know the count. There are 6 persons. Average. Okay, don't consider that average is 2.5 kgs. They are mentioning that average is increases by 2.5 kgs. Why average is increasing by 2.5 kgs? Because when a new person comes in place of old person, that's the reason. So we don't know actually what is the average of 6 people. So now what we can say, that is 6 persons average is X if I observe. Okay, so now obviously the important advantage here we have is, okay, count will not change in replacement problems, because one person is going, and in that particular place, like new person is coming, right? So obviously count will be same. So I can say that the difference is 0 on the left side. So what is our shortcut? We have to take difference on both sides, right? when we find the problems based on replacement, so left hand side difference will become 0. Now what about average? Average is increased by 2.5 kgs, so I can say that it is plus 2.5. If I consider that initially 6 members average is x kgs, now average will be x plus 2.5 kgs. Why this x plus 2.5 kgs? New person is coming in place of other person. So what about difference of this particular side? 2.5. So obviously left side difference, if you multiply this difference with this particular number, 0 multiplied with anything is 0, plus right side difference we observe here is 2.5. This 2.5 will be multiplied with 2. So 2.5 6 times. Obviously 6 2 times is 12, and 6 0.5 times means half of 6 is 3, which is nothing but I can say 15. 0 plus 15 is 15. Now very important point here, when you're solving replacement problems, okay, whatever the answer you get here 15, this is not the final answer. Okay, so you just need to understand. So in the first 6%, okay, in the first 6%, average is 6. Now in the next 6% means count is same, but here I can say that in this particular 6, one old person is there, this person left, and in that particular place one new person came. Now you just observe, when old person is there in the picture, okay, average is only x. Okay, when new person comes, average is increases. Now obviously if you just basic logic, when old person is there, average is x. When new person included, so I mean when new person is replaced, so obviously average getting increased. So from this understanding, you have to observe, obviously I can say that new person weight is greater than old person. If you understand this logic, obviously they have given that old person weight is 45. Then what about new person weight? So new person weight is more than old person. So obviously old person weight is 45. So new person weight is 15 kgs. Whatever answer here we got from the shortcut. So new person weight is 15 kgs more than old person. So obviously it is 60 kgs. So the new person weight is 60 kgs. Already a few people posted in the chat box. Okay, answer is 60. Very good. Good try. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this question, right? If you are done, we can go with the next one. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the next one. And yeah, can you try this? I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes time, fast. Once if you're done, you just post your answers in the chat box. That's it. I'll check it, whether it is correct or wrong. See, guys, don't worry about your answers, whether you will get correct answers or wrong answers. Okay, when I give you any question, just give a try, so that you will understand. Even if you do the mistakes, you will understand while explaining, like where you committed that particular mistake, and you will not repeat it again. Yes, I can see 26.9. Yes, guys, very good. Here, if you observe the same, okay, we have count and we have average. You can say that 20 students in a class, the average weight is 25 kgs. And one more important point is like when you are taking in kgs, you just need make sure that like all the values here, whatever you are taking average will be in kgs. Or if you're taking in grams, make sure that all the values in grams only. Okay, so I can say that 20 students in the class, average weight is 25 kgs. When one student leaves the class, average weight is reduced by 100 grams. See, if you observe one student leaves the class, count will become 19. So average is reduced by 100 grams means it's only 24.9 kgs, I can say. So this is how you need to consider. It is -1 left side, and here it is 0.1 kg right side. Okay, and don't get confused here. I converted that 100 grams into kgs, 0.1 kg. That's it. So here, what you need to do is -1 into -24.9. So -0.1 into 20 is -2, which is equals to -26.9. So as I said, when you are getting negative at the final answer, just ignore that negative value, and you can say that answer is 26.9. Okay, I hope like yes, whatever answer you got is exactly correct. Now I'll give you one question. Yeah, can you try this question? I'll give you just 1 minute time. Yeah, try this one and post your answers. 1 minute, and make sure that maximum aptitude case like you'll be getting only 1 minute for each question. Whatever the competition, competitive exams you will write, max 1 minute to 1.5 minute. Make sure that even you will practice in the same pace. Okay. Yes, already got answers from Nandini and Manasvi. Yes, very good. 39. I can see that answer. Yes, guys. I'll explain this question, and we see whether you can able to solve a similar kind of question or not. Okay. Here it's not about like persons. Here they are mentioning about days in a week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Average temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. If you observe, count and average process will not change. Okay, just observe the solution here. I can say that count is 3 days. Okay, what are those 3 days? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. These 3 days average is 40 degrees Celsius, correct? Now they are mentioning that the average temperature for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was 40 degrees Celsius. The average for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, again they're talking about 3 days. From this particular point you have to understand here, count is not getting changed here. 3 days and next also they are considering that it is 3 days. Okay, so what are those 3 days? If you observe, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, again 3 more days. Now if you observe, the count is not getting changed, means from this particular logic you have to understand the person. Okay, the person is getting replaced actually we have taken the persons, but here days. Okay, the days is getting replaced. If you observe, which day is getting replaced by like which day? Okay, if you observe, in the first 3 days, Tuesday and Wednesday is common, comparative to next 3 days, Tuesday and Wednesday is common. Now I can say that Monday is the old person, Thursday is the new person. Okay, when you look at the perspective of persons, Monday is the old person, Thursday is the new person. Means in place of Monday, Thursday came. Okay, Monday left the class and Thursday came into the class. Okay, replacement is happening here. Now the same logic here, difference is 0, difference is +1. And one more thing, guys. Okay, from these I can say that obviously Thursday temperature is greater than Monday temperature. How we can say that Thursday temperature is greater than Monday temperature? Now when you look at when Monday is there in the picture, so average is only 40 degrees Celsius. When Thursday comes in place of Monday, average is increased by 1. I mean in the sense like 41 degrees Celsius, correct? Now I can surely say that when Thursday came in place of Monday, temperature got increased, average. So obviously Thursday temperature is more than Monday temperature. Now, how much more? Okay, so we need to identify here. So obviously this 0 multiplied with 41 will be 0, plus this 1 multiplied with 3 will be 3. So I can say that Thursday temperature is 3 degrees more than Monday temperature. So Thursday temperature is 3 degrees more than Monday temperature. Or also you can say that Monday temperature is 3 degrees less than Thursday temperature. Both are same obviously. So here you just observe which information they have given in the question. If the temperature on Thursday be 42 degrees Celsius, okay, they have already given the Thursday temperature is 42 degrees Celsius, then obviously Monday temperature is 3 degrees less than Thursday. Obviously, if it is Thursday temperature is more than Monday, means obviously Monday temperature is less than Thursday. How much less than Thursday means? I can say that 3 degrees less than Thursday. So I can say that Monday temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. So answer is 39 degrees. 39 degrees Celsius. I hope you all are done with this question. Yes, even I can see answers in the chat box. Mostly everybody posted, everyone posted already 39 degrees as answer. Okay, almost a similar question, even this one also. Okay, just only one particular condition what changed. Can you all try this question? Like you can say that you can take it as a challenge. You just see yourself whether you can solve this question in a minute or not. Okay, quick. We'll see who will post this question first. Let me check whether anybody posted or not. Yes. Already Manasvi posted it as 36. Okay. Very good. I think so. It's already done 1 minute. I think like many students got stuck in this particular condition. Almost everything looks similar like previous one, but only here the condition got changed. Okay. Yeah. Let me explain this question. You just observe like where you have stuck here. Let's say count an average. So the average temperature from Monday to Wednesday. So obviously Monday to Wednesday means we have 3 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These 3 days average is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. The average for Tuesday to Thursday. So obviously Tuesday to Thursday means Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The same case, if you observe like previous question, almost 90% of the question is same. Just only values got changed and only small 10% condition got changed. Okay. Now the average is 34 degrees Celsius. Now, if you observe, Monday is the old one and Thursday came in place of Monday, correct? So, because like Tuesday, Wednesday is common in both first 3 days and last 3 days. Now, Monday came in place of Thursday. Sorry. Thursday came in place of Monday. Now, even the same thing you can observe. This side difference is 0 and this side difference is -3. The 0 multiplied with 34 will be 0 and -3 multiplied with 3 will be -9. So leave about -9 or +9. We observe that there should be a difference between, I mean, there should be 9. Okay, is a difference between Monday to Thursday, correct? Now, you can easily guess which temperature will be more, either Monday or Thursday. You can simply observe when Monday is there, temperature is 37 average temperature. When Thursday was there, temperature is 34. Obviously, I can say that Monday is greater than Thursday, because here when Thursday came, obviously average is getting decreased. That's the reason Monday's temperature is more than Thursday's temperature. Now, how much more? Monday temperature is how much more than Thursday means I can say that 9 degrees more. Okay, I think 95% of the people solved up to here. Okay, you might get answer 9, but you might got stuck here in between. these two conditions. Okay, Thursday temperature. Here they have given one more condition, that Thursday temperature is 4 by 5 times of Monday temperature. If they would have given directly, if Monday temperature is so and so, let's say Monday temperature is 50, you can surely say that Thursday temperature in a fraction of seconds, because Thursday temperature is less than Monday by 9 degrees. So I can say that if Monday temperature is 50, Thursday temperature will be 41. Or if I'll give Thursday temperature, let's say Thursday temperature is 80. Now you can say that Monday temperature is plus 9, 89. Okay. So likewise, you can easily find it out based on one particular value. But here the biggest twist is they didn't mention anything about Monday temperature or Thursday temperature, but they mentioned one particular relation. What is that particular relation? Thursday temperature is equals to 4 by 5 times of Monday temperature. Now from this I can write Monday by Thursday. I'm just making this Thursday to go to the right hand side, Monday by Thursday, and I'm bringing this 4 by 5 to the left hand side. It will become 5 by 4. Very simple. Okay. Now many students, what they will do is they will take condition like Monday temperature minus Thursday temperature is equals to 9, and in place of Monday they'll substitute this particular condition. Actually no need to do all these substitutions and calculations and all. Don't make your calculations complex. Okay, so very simple way. Here we can observe that Monday temperature is greater than Thursday temperature, because Monday temperature is 5 parts, Thursday temperature is 4 parts. How much more Monday temperature? Can I say that if you consider it as degrees, I can say that, just a minute. Yeah. Okay. I can say that Monday temperature is 1 degree greater than Thursday temperature. Monday temperature is 1 degree greater than Thursday temperature. Now, according to our shortcut, Monday temperature should be 9 degrees greater than Thursday temperature. Just if you want to make this 1 degrees to 9, so just multiply with 9. So I can say that Monday temperature by Thursday temperature is equal. So this 9 has to be multiplied with both the numbers, numerator and denominator. So what is 9 5 times? 9 5s are 45. What is 9 4 times? 9 4s are 36. Now if you want, you can observe. So Monday temperature is 9 degrees greater than Thursday's temperature. Now our condition is fully satisfied. So now if they ask what is Monday temperature, you can say that answer is 45. If they ask what is Thursday temperature, you can say that answer is 36. So now they are asking in the question, what is the temperature on Thursday? So the temperature on Thursday will be 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this. I think up to 9. Okay, here 9, getting 9 value, almost everyone might have solved. Okay, just you need to understand how to take this particular condition. Guys, are you clear about this? Because I got only 2 answers in the chat box, 36. Hope you all are clear with this, right? Did you get this logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What I
sir.
have explained
Yes.
here, this logic is crucial part here. If you didn't understand this logic, basically people will do solving by taking some equations. Okay, that is moreover like won't be preferable in competitive exams, because it will consume a lot of time. Okay, so we'll go with the next one. Yes, next one. Can you solve this question? Just give a try. Try to understand the question, whether the person is getting added or replaced or removed. Sometimes they may give question based on two conditions, and this is the perfect example for merging two questions in the single one. Let me check anybody posted answer. No, not yet. Okay, give a try, guys. Yes, I got answer from Vijay 72 and Nandini posted it as 80. I think so. Both are wrong. You might have committed any mistake in between. Okay. Okay, guys, that's fine. I think you guys are trying. Yeah, Manas, we posted 75. Very good. Yes. Okay. Yes, guys. Very good. I hope like you guys tried. Let me explain this question. Okay. So very simple. Basically, we solved questions based on one person is included, and we also solve questions based on one person removed, and also person replaced. Actually, this is the question where two questions got merged. One person is added, one person is replaced. Okay. Let's say we'll try to understand the conditions step by step. Count and average. Okay, average weight of three men A, B, C. Okay, there are three men, namely we can say that A, B, and C. There are three men. Average is 84, 84 kgs. Another man B joins the group. Average become 80. So obviously another man join means count will become 4. Average is 80 kgs. Now what are these three four persons means A, B, C, D. We can say that A, B, C, D. Now if you observe left hand side difference, it is increased by 1. Right hand side difference up to here, just stop the question. Okay, up to here. Okay, this question is actually person included, means person included or person joins, whatever it is, both are same. Now one person left hand side difference is +1, right hand side difference is minus 4. So what I said, left hand side difference you need to multiply with bottom number means 80, and the -4 into 3 -12. Make sure that you are writing that positives and negative signs clearly. So if it is increase plus, if it is decrease minus. Okay, instead if you will take any other value, you will get wrong answer. Okay, so 80 minus 12 is 68, I can say. So 68. Now what is the 68 means? I can say that D, that person whoever added, D weight is 68 kgs. Now I got to know that D weight is 68 kgs. Now next we'll continue the question. If another man E whose weight is 3 kgs more than that of D. Now already we got to know that D weight is 68. Now another man E joins. That E weight is 3 kgs more than D. So already D weight is 68. Now I can say that E weight is 71 kgs. Now we got to know that D weight and E weight. Okay. Yes. Can you guys confirm up to here? Okay. You all are clear or not? Any doubts you have? You can ask freely. Is that clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the crucial point is another condition. Now, if you observe again, read the statement again. If another man E, whose weight is 3 kgs more than that of D, replaces A. Now again, it is getting replaced. Actually, again, I'm writing the same condition here. A, B, C, D. Okay, I mean here second case. I'm writing only. I'm just only considering this case because already D joins the group, right? So A, B, C, D. Count is 4. Average is only 80. I'm just rewriting the same statement again in the another side. Okay, these four members average is 80 kgs. We already know that. Okay, those are A, B, C, D. Now here what they are mentioning that if another man E whose weight is 3 kgs more than that of D. So if another man E whose weight is more than that of D replaces A, means I can say that E is replacing A, remaining B, C, D are same. Okay, means what they are saying is instead of E, sorry, instead of A, E is getting replaced. So we can say that A is the old person, E is the new person. Remaining three people are common. So obviously replacement problems count will not change, but here average got changed. Average is only 79. They have mentioned in the question. Now obviously this side difference is 0. This side difference is -1. 0 multiplied with anything is 0. -1 multiplied with 4 is -4. So just leave about -4 or +4. You just have to understand. So when A is there in the picture, when A is there in the picture, average is 80. When E is there in the picture, average is 79. So obviously I can say that when A was there in the list, average is more. That's the reason A weight is more than E weight. Okay, they are asking us to find what is the weight of A. Now I'm pretty much sure that A weight is more than E weight. Okay, so already we know that E weight is 71. Now A weight is more than E. How much more than E? So 4 kgs. We already got to know here 4. So 71 plus 4, which is equals to 75 kgs. So the weight of A is 75 kgs. These are very, very important applications, guys. Okay, if it is averages, mostly will get questions in the exam, like person added, person removed, or person replaced. These kind of questions you will get it in the exam. Okay, so make sure that you all are clear with these particular solutions. Even if it is added or removed or replaced, okay, you should be more confident enough to solve these type of questions. Are you clear this question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. We'll move to the next one. Okay, there are so many applications. Almost today I explained some 5 6 questions and all. Okay, whichever the questions that I'm leaving in the PPT. Okay, just you try those questions. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can freely ask it in the next class. Okay, so I'll explain few more shortcuts in averages. Let's say, yes, why can't we solve this question? I'll give you 1 minute time. Try this question. Yes, apply the same logic, same shortcut. Count the average. Let me check. Yes, I got, yes, very good. 4 answers I got it as 36. Yes, very good, guys. 36 is correct. See, very simple. The average weight of group of boys here, very, very important thing. Group, they mentioned group of boys. We don't know the count. So you can just assume it as X or N, whatever it is, any variable you can take it. Let's say I'm assuming this group of boys is N. You can say that N for N boys, average is 40. When after a boy of weight 58.5 kgs joins the group, average is increased by 0.5 kgs. Find the weight of number of boys in the group originally. Means you need to find the value of N. I think like based on the answers in the chat box, I can say that majority of the people already solved this question. Guys, are you done with this question, or anyone wants me to explain this question? If you are done, so that we can solve some more questions and we can learn some more shortcuts. Shall we go for the next one? See, if anyone wants me to explain this question, please ask, unmute yourself, and you can ask me, sir, explain this question. Because like if you all are done, there is no point of staying in the same question. We can move on to the next one. Yes, can you respond? Shall we go for the next one, or should I explain this question? Anything on your wish?
Sir, explain it.
Okay. Let's say average weight of group of boys is 40 kgs. So here we have count and average, again same thing. We don't know how many people, how many boys are there in the group. So I'm assuming it as n. So for n boys, average is 40 kgs. Correct. After a boy weight, okay, already they have given. Okay, there is one boy. Okay, that boy weight is 58.5 kgs. What that boy it is, he joins the group. So when he joins the group, obviously count will get increased. So now the count is increased by one. This one person is that boy. Okay, that one person is boy. That boy weight is 58.5 kgs. Now when that boy increases, the average weight of the group is increases by 0.5 kgs. Now I can say that average is increased by 0.5 kgs, means the new average is 40.5. How much it got increased? 0.5. Now left side difference multiplied with, okay, right hand side, right bottom value. So 1 into 40.5 is 40.5, and 0.5 into n. 0.5 into n, I can say that plus 0.5 n is equals to, I can say that that boy value already we know, right? So that boy value is 58.5 kgs. That boy value is 58.5 kgs. Now from this I can say 0.5 n is equals to, if you take this 40.5 to the right hand side, 58.5 minus 40.5. So obviously 0.5 will be removed. 58 minus 40 is 18. So n value is equals to 18 by 0.5. So if you feel not comfortable, okay, for calculating all these, so you can also write 0.5 as 1 by 2 I can write. So based on your comfort in the calculations. Okay, so if you take this 2 to the top side, so 8 into is 36. So the number of boys, I got n value is 36. So that's what we need to find. They are asking the question, number of boys originally in the group. So originally in the group is only n, we assume. So already we got to know that n value is 36. So option C is 36. Okay, hope you all are clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. And as I said earlier, I mean in the last class, okay, better you guys maintain one proper notes for this topics and all. So whatever the shortcuts you are learning, like when you only listen the class, while I'm explaining in the class, like you might feel that okay, this question is easy. Okay, I'm able to get this logic. Okay, but once after completion of the class, or after 1 day, or after 1 or 2 days, okay, when you look back to the question, okay, you might not understand the logic. So it's better make a proper notes. Okay, so that's what my suggestion is. And let's go for the next category questions. Yeah, can you try this question? A very important type of question in averages. Even you will find these type of questions even in Google. Like there are so many times in exams, okay, in placement exams, there are several cases. What I observed is they are asking this question in the exam. Okay, so once try this. Even if you search in Google, you will get the same type of question, but don't do that. You will get some kind of equation kind of thing in as an explanation for this. If you observe the logic, even no need to use pen and paper for this question. If you really understand the question, let's see how many of you solve. Yes, I got answer from Vijay 40, Nandini posted 20, Joel posted 10. Almost everybody posted all options. There is only one more option left, or 73. But that's good. You guys really tried without searching anywhere. Oh, I think so. Joel was satisfied with the fourth option, 73. Yeah, I'm not so sure why I'm getting all four different answers. I think so. This is the first time I'm hitting from your batch like all four different answers. Okay, see guys, no need to consider any equation kind of thing, all this kind of thing. Just understand the logic. I'll explain a simple logic and simple shortcut. Here, a people mark was wrongly entered as 83 instead of 63. Correct. Let's say here what is the task is, okay, entering marks. What's the task here? Entering marks. Let's say you all are my students. When I'm entering your marks, okay. Let's take an example. One name Joel. Joel itself will consider. Okay, like while entering marks for Joel, okay, instead of 63, actually Joel got 63 marks, but by mistakenly I entered Joel marks is 83. Now I did a blunder mistake here. So instead of 63, I mentioned it as 83, correct? So just imagine here entering marks we consider, right? So for your understanding, okay, now just will change the terminology, okay? Rather than entering the marks, can I say that I'm distributing chocolates to everyone? Okay, both are same, just I'm changing the terminology. Here entering marks, here distributing chocolates. Now rather than entering marks, let's try to understand the logic easily by understanding by chocolate method. Okay, so distributing chocolates. Now actually while distributing chocolates in the class, Joel has to get 63 chocolates. Okay, but by mistakenly I gave 83 chocolates to Joel. Now actually he has to get 63, but I'm giving 83 chocolates to him. Now, how many more chocolates I gave to him? 20 more chocolates I gave. 20 chocolates extra. Okay, 20 chocolates. We can say that 20 chocolates extra I gave it to Joel. Okay. Now, what he has to do is, okay, now what actually the question is, how many people are there in the class? Okay, total number of students in the class. Now, because of these 20 extra chocolates, okay, average mark of the class is increased by half a mark. Correct? Now, half mark is increased for entire class. Now, just to try to understand the logic properly, for 20 chocolates, for giving 20 chocolates extra to Joel, okay, entire class average is increased by half mark or half chocolate, can I say? Now, means these 20 chocolates extra, whatever the chocolates I gave it to Joel, he shouldn't eat all those 20 extra chocolates. What actually chocolate method is equal distribution. Now, he has to distribute all 20 chocolates for entire class. Okay, now they mentioned already entire class average is increased by half chocolate means every person is getting half chocolate extra. Means can you just uh, think about the logic? For 20 chocolates, how many halves? Okay, how many halves we can make? How many halves we can make with 20 chocolates? If we have one chocolate, okay, if we have one chocolate, I can make two halves, correct? If I have 10 chocolates, if I have 10 chocolates, I can make 20 halves. Okay, now if I have 20 chocolates, if I have 20 chocolates, how many halves I can make?
40.
Yes, very good. 40 halves I can make. Means indirectly I can say that there are 40 people in the class because every person is getting half chocolate extra. That's the reason I can say that 40 chocolate, sorry, 40 students are there in the class. I hope you all are clear with this particular logic. Very simple, guys. 63 instead of 63 chocolates, I gave 83 chocolates. Means I gave 20 chocolates extra. Okay, that 20 chocolates extra, whatever he got, he should not eat by his own. So he should distribute all these 20 chocolates equally for everybody in the class. So because of that, average is increased by half mark, means half chocolate. So how many halves he can make with 20 extra chocolates? Means obviously 40 halves he can make. Okay, very important logic, and the question is also very important. Okay, very important logic as well as question. Okay, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll explain finally two questions, okay, with different logics. Very important again. two questions with different logics. Okay, try to understand this. Just only 2 to 3 questions, that's it. Okay, we'll wind up the class for today and we'll close this average concept. I hope you guys received this PPT, right, in your group. Have you received this
Yes.
Yes,
PPT
sir.
Yes,
from
sir.
CVCORP? Yeah, very good. Okay, so there are so many questions in this PPT. I'm explaining the key points. Okay, key questions from the PPT means rest of the questions like you have to try it by your own. Okay, so let me explain this. And guys, from now I'll explain. As I said, 2 to 3 questions. If you understand these 3 questions, you can able to solve last 8 questions in the PPT. Last 8 questions are the same logic. So listen carefully. These 2 to 3 questions. Surely you can solve last 7 to 8 questions in the PPT. Okay, so let's say this is a little bit different logic. Okay, try to understand. Here, the average temperature of first 3 days of a week. First 3 days of a week. Can I say that first 3 days means we can say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just imagine that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And of the next 3 days, next 3 days means obviously it is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, that Thursday, Friday, Saturday temperature is 29. And now you cannot apply the same logic like count average difference. Here it will not work out because here there is all 3 different days are sorry, different. Okay, all 3 days are different. First 3 days is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in a week. Next 3 days is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But here the average of whole week, entire week means I can say that. So obviously you need to write the bulk values. Okay, let's say entire week means 7. The 7 days temperature is 28.5. Now you just need to imagine the chocolate method. So when I'm saying that entire week average is 28.5 means, can I say that whole week means 7 days? 7 days means what actually chocolate method is equal distribution, correct? Now when 7 days temperature is 820, average is 28.5, I can surely say that each day, okay, I can say like first day 28.5, second day 28.5, third day 28.5, fourth day 28.5, likewise all 7 days. When all 7 days we have 27, 28.5, 28.5, then obviously average will be 28.5, correct? So I'm just imagining, okay, all 7 days, whatever we have, these 7 days average is 28.5 means every day, I mean each day of a week, okay, when the temperature is displayed as 28.5, then obviously average will become 28.5. Now condition is first 3 days, first 3 days, first 3 days average is only 27. But what we assume every day is 28.5. But what they have given is first 3 days only 27. Now how much got decrease here? I assume just 28.5, but they gave it is only 27. Now can I say that it is okay reduced by 1.5 degree? Whatever we assumed, okay, we assumed 28.5, but it is only 27. Means 1.5 degrees got decreased for each day. Likewise, how many days? 3 days. So I can say that 1.5 into 3 is minus 4.5. Okay, minus 4.5 because each day decrease. First 3 days 27 means I can say that first day is 27, second day is 27, third day is also 27. So each day decreased by 1.5, 1.5. That's the reason I'm multiplied with 3. Next, next 3 days, next 3 days temperature is 29. Actually what we assume every day is 28.5. Now last 3 days is 29 means how much got increased now? 0.5. So 0.5 degrees extra we are getting now. Next 3 days means next 3 days means Thursday 29, 29, Friday 29, Saturday 29 means 0.5 got increased whatever we assume. Okay, likewise 3 days, for 3 days. Okay, for 3 days. Now if you observe, if you want to tally this, 0.5 into 3 is 1.5, correct? Now just try to make it tally. Okay, minus 4.5 plus 1.5, it is minus 3. It is minus 3. Very simple, guys. Now what we assumed as whole week temperature is 28.5, but here the value is not getting tallied. It is minus 3. When you will get minus 3, to make it balance, you have to add 3. Okay, like I hope you remembered yesterday's class. There are 3 chocolates minus 3. Okay, as I said, like when new person is coming, he has to bring 3 more chocolates to make it balance. Okay, in the same case here also, -3 means we need to add 3. So which is equals to, so 28, okay, plus 3.5 is 31.5. Okay, so 31.5 is the last day temperature. If you don't know this process, what basically people will solve is by taking 3 different equations. So no need to consider any equations. Try to understand how to balance these values. So entire week temperature, again I repeat, entire week temperature is 28.5. First 3 days 27. So how much got decreased? -1.5 for 3 days. So into 3. Here how much got increased? 0.5 for 3 days. So 1.5. So when you want to balance this, -3 will be the value. So to make it balance, that whole week temperature is 28.5, right? So if it is -3, you need to add 3. That's it. If it is +3, you need to minus. So symbol has to change. Okay, symbol has to change. When symbol has to change and when not to change, I'll explain. I hope you all are clear with this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Can you try the same one now? You take 25 results, average is 20, first to 12, next to 12, find the 13th one. Try to answer this question. Once if you are done, post your answer in the chat box. Yes, somebody posted it is 103, 104, different answers. Yes, many are posting 104. Yes, very good. So if you observe, total 25, right? 25 results average is 20 means. Now I can say all 25 we can take results or students, whatever it is. 25 students average is 20 means each student is having 20 chocolates each. Okay, 20, 20, 20. Everybody in the class, all 25 students are having 20 chocolates each. Okay. Now, first 12 first 12 students average is only 15. Okay, first 12 students average is 15. How much got decreased? 5 got decreased. So likewise for 12 members, right? So you need to write this count to 12. 12 5 is a 60 minus 60. Now next 12, last 12 results, last 12 students average is 18. Now again, even this also I mean less than 20, so -2. Likewise for 12 results, so which is equals to -24, 12 to the 24. So total -84. So I already said, so you need to consider the base value. I mean total value, 25 students, entire class, 25 students, average is 20, right? You take the 20 and based on this value, if you will get -84, you need to do +84. If it is +84, you need to do -84. Symbol has to change. So answer is 104. So the 13th result will be 104. Yes, very good. Almost everybody posted your answers in the chat box. 104. Very good. Nice. Okay. Now I'll give you one more question. Let's wait for this. Yeah. Can you answer this question? Anyone? Almost similar, but slight change. Let me see anybody answer this question. Yeah, Joel answered 23. Yes, guys. Let me explain this question. there is a difference between the previous question and this question. Okay, let's say first 15 numbers. 15 numbers average is 7 means, like let's say 15 students. When 15 students average is 7, now can I say that each person should have 7 chocolates? Okay, first person will be having 7 chocolates, second one is having 7, third one is having 7. Likewise, all 15 students is having 7 chocolates each. Okay, now if the average of first 8 numbers, procedure is everything same. Okay, very small difference. Okay, I'll explain that. First 8 numbers average is 6.5. How much got decreased? Just only 0.5 got decreased for 8 members. So I can say that it is -4. Now next last 8 numbers means 9.5 average. Now here how much got increased? 2.5 got increased for next 8, which is equals to 20. So I can say that 20 minus 4 is 16. Okay, it is plus 16, correct? Plus 16. Now you have to take 15 numbers. Entire class average is 7. Now what I said, okay, if it is plus, you have to change the symbol. Minus, if it is minus, you have to change the symbol plus. So but it is plus 16 means I should do minus 16, right? But here this is not the case. Whatever the symbol plus 16, symbol should not change. I'll tell the reason why symbol should not change means. So just try to observe the difference between previous one and this one. If you observe, total how many people are there? Total 7, right? Here how many people already covered? 6. Okay, 6 people covered. There is one more person needs to cover in this 7. So only 6 covered, one person needs to cover in this 7. Even if you observe this same logic, 12 and 12, how many people covered? 24. There is one more people needs to cover from 25. When here one extra person, I mean one more person needs to cover, you have to change the symbol. Okay, if you observe, the count is only 24. If you observe the previous one, the count is only 6, but actually we have 7, right? One person needs to cover, he is not yet covered. Okay, here 12 plus 12 only 24. Here out of 25, one person needs to cover again. Sorry. Okay, next, if you observe 8 and 8, how much? 8 and 8, 16, but only total 15 students are there. How come these 16 people came into the picture? So I can say that in these 8 and 8, one person is common, right? One person common. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here one person is common. When one person is common, like when you observe this type of question, when person is a common, okay, symbol should not change. Okay, you can make a note on your notes. When one person is common, symbol, okay, does not change. Symbol does not change. Okay, so asterisk whatever, plus 16 or minus 16, if you will get plus 16, take asterisk plus 16. If you will get minus 16, take asterisk minus 16. That's what your final answer is, 23. So that middle number will be 23. If you don't follow these, basically you need to end up with you need to solve this question by using different equations and all. Okay, you'll end up with a lot of calculations and confusions. So better follow this particular process. Okay, so I hope you all are done with this question, and I'll give you one question last. Okay, try to solve this question. Everyone, try to solve this question. Is nobody posted answer here? You can take whole week temperature. Whole week temperature is 39. First 4 days temperature is 37. Last 4 days temperature is 41. How to solve this? Yes, very good. Already posted answers. Okay, very good. So if you observe, first 7 days temperature is 39, right? I mean for entire week. First 4 days is 37, means how much got decreased? -2. -2 for 4 days. So it is -8. And what about here next? +2. Additionally 2 degrees got increased. So 2 into for 4 days. So +8. So -8 and +8 is 0. So if it is 0 means there is no change in the average. So whatever average 39, actually what I said, if it is plus and you need to take the plus, if it is minus you need to take the minus. So actually here everything got balanced. Okay, everything got balanced. So there is no addition or no subtraction. You have to take as it is 39 as your answer. So answer is 39. Okay, likewise we have different set of questions in this PPT. Okay, you just need to remember if it is only common person. Even here also, if you observe 4 and 4 8, but only 7 are there. So why 8 means there is one person common. So if it is common, symbol should not change. If it is not a common person, symbol should change. This is the only logic. And moreover, like when you are writing an exam, so surely make sure that all these questions will be revised once. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with these all questions, and I suggest what the thing is, I already you all have this particular PPT. Okay, make sure you solve as many questions as possible. I mean all the questions from the PPT. Okay, and if you have any particular doubt at all, you can ask it in the next or upcoming sessions. Okay, so that's all for the day. I hope you learned some tricks and some questions how to solve. Okay, and some methods and all. I hope you enjoyed the class. That's all from my side. Anything from your end? Guys, can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Hope you all are clear about this today's session, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
see, my small
Yes, sir.
suggestion is only listening in the class won't help you to understand all the logics. So maximum, I'm trying to push as much as possible. I'm trying to cover all the, shortcuts and the methods. But the thing is, whatever I covered, you need to practice more questions. Okay, you try to solve all the questions from the PPT, and even you can search. See, when you are done with the concept, you should be in a position to solve any questions whatever you have taken from the PPT or Google or any other website. Then only you will get more confidence to solve any other questions as well. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Just a minute. I'll just ask CV sir whether he wants to talk anything or we'll wind up the class. Okay, just a minute, guys.